the polar instancing. So here we have a part that we have a lot of instances of the same set of operations. So what we have is we have operations, we have our index setup 1, which is our standard 3-axis index, Z up, and then we're machining our operations that don't have anything to do with the instance. So we're doing our, turn our toolpaths on. So we're doing our 3-axis roughing, we're doing some facing, we're doing the whole profiling in the center, and we're doing some chamfering. So those are all the operations that apply to the entire part. Then we go down and we program one of these instances. Okay, so we're doing the horizontal roughing, interesting profiling there going around, and then we're doing the horizontal roughing, finishing in this area right here, horizontal finishing. Then we're doing some more roughing in just in that area. We're doing some curve between two curves. Now this is a professional operation configuration operation in the Pro. This is between two curves. And then also pencil tracing is also a Pro to clean up those corners. Really nice. See how that does that? And then we have some hole pocketing, hole profiling, and then we have a slotting operation here. Now, once you machine or CAM program this set of operations, we define our polar instance. So if you look up here, you have your XY instance, and you use that to do both polar and XY instancing. Okay, so let's cancel that and look at our polar. So we have angle to fill. We're filling entire 360 degrees. We're creating 5 indexed copies of these programs, the toolpath, and it's rotating about the Z-axis 360 degrees. So after you create that, let's go ahead and close that. After you create that, we have already programmed these. They would have been up here. You just grab all those and drop them into this folder, and the indexing or the polar XY instancing will be displayed automatically and posted out automatically. So let's go ahead and see what else we got here. Let's post this out real quick. You'll see if we do a search for instance. You'll see your XY instance number 1, and everything for number 1 is under there. And if you just keep going, you'll see your instance for number 2. And these are all comments, by the way. There's nothing special that you need to do differently in the G code. It's outputting all of the XYZ coordinates required in each of the orientations, or each of the instances. So there's instance 3, instance 4, instance 5, and actually instance 6. The first one is instance 1, the one you already programmed. So that's basically all you need to do for both polar and XY. I've got another example that I'm going to show you that will do go over the XY instancing, and that's on this next part for fixture offset programming. Let me find that.